Yeah.
Big banks use you as an ATM and use your deposits to fund false.
African Americans or Negroes, when they actually got here, wasn't black people. They were indigenous. But you still like really didn't answer what I'm just asking, how important it is. Do you give a fuck about your nationality? Long story short, is that shit really important to you?
Absolutely. My nationality is humanity. That's my nationality. I'm human. Carbonation.
Appreciate it, bro. Peace.
What was he expecting me to say? I'm not understanding.
Peace reflection, man. Hey, man, I'm laughing at the last dude, man. That shit was hilarious. But, man, look, I just wanted to say thank you to everything you've been sharing, man. I appreciate everything you're doing, man, and it's becoming more obvious to me that I have to be more organized with myself. I feel like last year I was in a space where I just had so much knowledge that I hadn't tested, and I just needed to test it, just jump out there, like, you know. But when I look at my astrology, it's making it clear to me that I plan and I'm methodical, and I feel like I've been running away from that, and I feel like watching you and your tribe and how you've been functioning has been it's been like a reference point. It's been like me being able to watch my big bro, and it's like, you know, and I appreciate, you know, the discipline that you've been exuding.
Okay. That's good. Appreciate that, man, Boomy. Yeah. We have to have discipline and order and structure to make things functional. You can't just go out here. And even in nature, as wild as it seems, it's not that wild. It's very organized. So,
I see that now.
people think that they go out into nature and everything's just growing wild. When you take a closer look, you see mathematics. You see mathematics. You see design. You see code. You know. See things are
So I mean to interrupt you. Just finish with your thought.
No, I'm good.
So we're on the brink of labor. And the idea is to move forward with, you know, a home birth. And I know that was your intent as well, but things didn't quite go as planned. So I want to ask you if there was any advice you could give to help support that space.
The advice I would tell you is to go to a professional. Go to a professional. Someone that as natural as possible, or go to a professional that knows about how to deliver your baby.
I receive that.
You understand what I'm saying? Because it's the system that we're against, not the person with the skill. We're not against the person with the skill that sells themselves to the system. You understand what I'm saying to you? We need to utilize ourselves and the skills you don't know how to deliver a baby. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess what would be like alarming to me. It's, given like facts. I don't know, but I guess what would be alarming to me is like how they go about it, and I be thinking about like the disharmony that's encouraged.
Yeah, but you don't have to
in those environments.
You don't have to take part in this, so you say, nah, we don't want to do that. You can find a natural birthing center.
Right.
You are in the States, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you can find a natural birthing center where you're in full control of your birth.
That's facts.
You see what I'm saying?
I see what you're saying.
There are ways around that. You can find a natural birthing center where you're in control, but there's also someone professional there to make sure there's no complications. You always, as a man, as a leader, want to find solutions to all the problems, and you want to dot all your I's and cross all your T's, because it's your responsibility to make sure that everything's happening correct, because she's invulnerable. She's vulnerable to you. So make sure that everything's aligned, just in case it doesn't come naturally, that if there's any complication, that there's someone there to make sure that she's okay. You know what I'm saying? That's professional. That knows what they're doing.
Right.
Yeah.
So do you feel like the goal is to eventually develop ourselves to be professionals, so we don't have to keep reverting back to these processes?
Right. We got a lot of doctors that are joining the nation. We got a lot of nurses, a lot of midwives and doulas that are joining the nation. And that's what I'm telling you.
Yeah.
The more we spread the message, the more we wake up. Doctors, lawyers, judges. You know what I'm saying? We got everything
Absolutely.
we need. We got everything we need. We just got to keep speaking the message. Because they waking up. They waking up.
That's a fact.
We're a nation that
I guess
we was born here. We're a nation. We got everything we needed within our nation, the Carbonation. We got doctors, we got lawyers, we got everything we need to not only overcome the system, but to lead the system and sustain our own selves.
Right.
That's a fact.
Yeah. So I feel like my mind to project to the extreme solution, right? And I feel like I lose sight of the process it takes to, the practical process it takes to get to that,
Right. And the universe is unfolding.
Yeah.
And you're part of this transitional thing that's happening in humanity. And so it might not look perfect right now, but eventually you have to see the vision. You have to hold the vision, because you see me where I'm at right now, see where you at right now, but is that the end? No.
Right.
Keep watching.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's what I be on. I be like,
so no matter where you
yeah,
are,
keep watching.
no matter where you are, stay solid, hold your morals, hold your principles, up, down, no matter. Stay unperturbed.
That makes sense.
You know? It's happening.
And I wanna bring up too, I feel like a lot of how y'all be like why y'all not here yet, or like you still in Babylon or whatever. Like I feel like sometimes that encourages people to skip certain steps within the process to get to the end game, because they feel like the end game is just getting out.
Well, that's the beginning.
But it still be like a process to get out for some people still,
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I feel like, like I took that step, the beginning of getting out, but then at the same time, I feel like I skipped a lot of steps within my process that brought me back.
Perhaps. That's because you didn't take my guidance and you did it on your own.
You say perhaps.
Had you took my guidance, you would be here.
So what guidance that I like? I don't even feel like we even communicated at this capacity before. So I'm trying to like what guidance did I not take heed to?
All right, we're stronger together than apart. You don't have to go through the things that I've already went through. You can use my experiences. It's a saying that a smart man learns from other people's mistakes. I mean, a smart man learns from their mistakes. A wise man learns from someone else's mistakes. You know what I'm saying? You didn't have to go through all of that. Had you been with us, you'd be straight right now. But you decided to say, fuck it. And that's one of the things that you're learning right now, is that we're stronger together than apart. That's what you're learning. You went the independent route. I'm going to do it myself instead of joining forces, which makes us stronger. You said, fuck it, I'm going to do it on my own. And that's...
But to be honest with you, I feel like I made attempts to like reach out and build and see how that connection could be made. And from my perspective, it seemed like, I don't know if it was you busy or whatever the case may be, but to me, it felt like you were being standoffish.
I'm like that with anybody that says they want to join me. Because to join me is to join me. That means ain't nothing going to stop you. You know what I'm saying? Like, when people say they want to join me in my movement and what we're doing, and they go out here and do it themselves, that's like you saying you want to join me, but really I could do this myself.
No, I'm saying like prior to me jumping out there, prior to me initiating my motion, I feel like I
push everybody away. That's a fact. I got to. Because if I push you away and you still come,
you said that just showed the determination.
Deserve to be there.
So queens and kings could see.
You know what I'm saying? We need commitment.
I feel that.
We need commitment, dedication. You see how people turn on me.
Okay.
You know?
Absolutely.
The phone in here. And
Absolutely.
we have to record.
What you only thing that you learned, that you skipped as a step, is understanding you can't do it by yourself. That's what you back to learn. That you're stronger together than apart. That's why we all still together. Because we stick together. And we're stronger this way than we are apart. And so, Babylon is strong. You know why?
Stick together, stay organized, and stay committed.
That's what makes Babylon a force. Unity. That's what makes it a force. The cancer in your body is very well organized. If you have cancer, it's organized. You understand what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
The cancer on this planet is organized. It's very organized. You must learn from that. Because they took that from us originally. So with that being stated, we must join forces. You know, we must work together and united. Because we're way more powerful together than apart.
I feel that. So like, you know, we like literally at 38, it'll be 39 weeks tomorrow, so like it's any day now. So I'm looking at the idea of securing the birth, her healing up.
So what I want you to do,
What's that?
find a natural birthing center. Or get a midwife.
Oh no, I'm on that for sure. It's a midwife center where we at currently that we intend to go to. Like that's already in alignment, you know.
Anytime another human being has taken their precious time to learn about delivering a baby, everything about it, and you haven't, it would be selfish of you to not give your wife that professionalism. You know what I mean? So until we have
like how you put that would be something.
yeah. Until we have midwives, until we have doctors, until we have herbalists, we must still use the system. You understand what I'm saying?
I understand.
Until we no longer have to use money, we have to use money. Until we no longer have to use it.
Yeah, so the point that I was getting at, you still there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm sorry.
I was saying the point that I was getting at was after the birth and the healing process take place, we ready for motion.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't make yourself a target, though. It's a wise saying that when your hand is in the lion's mouth, you pull it out slow. You understand what I'm saying?
I receive that.
I like pistachios. You like pistachios?
Actually, I haven't been ingesting too many nuts lately.
Oh, okay. I like nuts.
I like nuts, but I guess I've been tuning into the herbs. You know, I'm a cultivator and I grow food, so I've been tapping into the herbalist side of all of that.
We need that. We need herb. We need agriculture.
Yeah, so that's my forte. So I've been like diving into the herbs and the mosses and stuff like that. So it's been making me feel less inclined to intake certain things that I've been used to taking in. I've been dealing with mostly liquids and fruits and herbs. You know, I'm not this only fruits. You know what I'm saying? Like I adhere to the B6. You know, but sometimes certain days I don't feel the need to have like a solar lunar meal because you know I provide myself with the necessary minerals to feel balance with the herb concoctions that I come up with.
Okay, that's awesome. I'm in agreement. That's how I feel like. Food is energy, right? The greatest source of energy is what that we get.
The sun.
No, that's the source itself. But the greatest source of energy we receive is what?
Light.
Huh?
Light.
Nah, that's the source. The greatest source that we receive energy from is each other.
Okay, I guess I was misunderstanding the question.
The greatest source,
Peopletarian diet.
Yeah, food is nothing more than us replenishing in energy, right? But the greatest source of energy that we will feed off of is each other.
I feel that.
So more importantly than food is relationships, is environment. Food is very important because it's a part of what you transfer energy with. But the greatest source of your actual intake of energy is people. I'll give you an example. You ever been doing something that you love? You forgot to eat? Have you ever been in love?
Absolutely.
Have you ever been in love with a woman and forgot to eat?
Yeah, you be up on the phone all night caking, forgot you ain't ate shit.
Yeah. You can see our greatest source of energy is each other. We need each other.
That's a fact.
Before what you put in your mouth, the human being in its relationship with itself is the greatest source of nutrients that it can have.
I feel that. Because I feel the depletion of nutrients being around the individuals that I'm around now.
Right. So the people that you choose to deal with in life will be the sole propriety of your health.
Yeah. That's like the bottom of the damn the food pyramid. Like
The people in your life will be the main source of food that you will receive as far as energy. So that would mean that people, your relationships, your environment would be the source of your health.
So we can get these out.
The main source of your health.
We gotta check the time.
More important than food. We're always talking about the healthiest diet. You understand what I'm saying to you?
Ooh, you poop, gang?
I feel you. Yeah.
The healthiest diet is people in your environment. Because good people eat good food. Good people do not support the killing of animals.
But you gotta poop.
Harming animals, you know? So if you have good people around you, they're not gonna feed you blood and flesh of an animal.
Okay, you cussed that out.
They're going to give you blood and flesh of the fruit.
I love you. I love you and Gabby.
You want a mango?
I love you and Vivi.